What's going on, YouTube? Back for another video. If you can tell by the thumbnail and the title of this video, yes, there's something wrong with the Titan. I'll get into that a little bit later. First, we're going to just do a oil check on the Titan and the Focus. So let's get to it. Alright guys, here's the oil in the Focus. As you can see, it's good. I haven't put very many miles on it, but you know, I still check my oil at least once a week, regardless of how many miles I drive. And I'll tell you how many miles I drove here in a second, as soon as I get in the car. Alright guys, I'm not sure if you're going to be able to see it. Well, maybe. I drove roughly 1,000 miles since I changed the oil. Like I said, I haven't driven the Focus that much. It is winter time. It is snowing, so it just sits in the barn. I have my Titan, so but yeah, it's at 202,808 right now. I don't think you're going to be able to see that, but believe me, it's about 1,000 miles, and the oil is still clean. Yeah, let's do a cold start on the Focus. I haven't started it since my last video. I usually don't start it unless I'm making a video, so let's get a cold start on it. Like always, it started right up. I thought it would. Alright guys, let's get on to the Titan. Oh, yeah, that's right. I fixed the horn on the Focus. It wasn't working for whatever reason. I don't really know why. I think the wires just came unhooked or whatever, but I fixed that, and yes, it's still the Uga horn. But yeah, it works now. So when I picked my truck up from the body shop, he also gave me back the passenger side headlight, because there was nothing wrong with it. And both fog lights, which one of them, the mounting brackets are a little messed up, but the lights still work on both of them. There you can see how this one has two prongs on it, and this one only has one. I mean, they both still work. I don't know if we're gonna do anything with them. I might end up throwing them away, even throwing the headlight away, because I mean, it's all foggy. It's all fogged up and scratched up. It's not really worth anything to me. And unless any of you guys can use it, which if you can, DM me on Instagram at justanother_cardude, and I can ship them out to you guys, because I don't need them. Alright guys, now it's time for the Titan. I changed the oil on 9/30/2018. and it had 153,520 miles, and it is now February 4th, I believe, and as you can see there, I drove roughly 3,000 miles, but yeah, let's check the oil. Alright guys, as you can see, the Titan is still good on oil too. It's a little dark, but not anything to be worried about yet. And like I said in the beginning of this video, there is a few issues with this truck, and it has nothing to do with the oil. So the issue I'm having is the halos on the headlights don't work, and either do the fog lights. Now I had them wired up to, when I had the parking light on, the halos would come up or come on, and I could turn my fog lights on also, and yeah, none of those work. The 4 LEDs that are in the headlight themselves work, which I'll show you right now. So those 4 LEDs work, but the halos, I mean, barely work. They're on, kind of. Not anything near like what they're supposed to. And then I'll turn the fog lights on now, even though they don't work. But here's the switch, it's off, and now it's on. Nothing. So I don't know if it's anything that the body shop did. Might be in the wiring down in there. I don't know. I could take it back to the body shop, but I don't really feel like waiting another 3 or 4 weeks for my truck back, so I'm probably just gonna dig into it myself and fix it. They're brand new headlights, brand new fog lights. There shouldn't be any issue. Let's get a cold start on the truck. It's been sitting probably 2 days, maybe, and it's probably about 30 degrees and snowing. Back in the barn now because I was getting wet, but yeah, I'm gonna fix those halos and fog lights in another video because it's probably gonna take a while. But since it is snowing, I'm gonna go have some fun. Alright, as you guys can see, it is a different day. I had to do a few other things, but we are at the spot now, and there's quite a bit of snow up here. It's nothing too deep, but it's, you know, we should be able to have a little bit of fun. This is not my property, it's my grandparents', so I can't really get too crazy up here, but we're gonna have a little bit of fun. That's definitely going to scrape the top of my truck. This is where we camp and where I ride my four-wheeler and stuff like that, which I will be making some videos of that this summer. Alright, I think that's enough for now. Let's try two-wheel drive again. Alright, we're back in two-wheel drive and still not going anywhere. that's gonna do it for this upload. If you guys like the content and you want to see more of the Titan or the Focus, subscribe, hit the bell, check me out on Instagram at JustinOther_CarDude. See you guys on the next one.